everybody, my name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to my online English class. Welcome to our first English lesson for 2026, and today we are learning about root words, prefixes and suffixes. So we are learning about root words, which is an original word. Prefixes is a word you put in front, and suffixes is a word you put at the back of a root word. So here are the characteristics. We can change the meaning of a word by putting something before or after the root. So the main word is a root. It is called a root. So when you put something in front of it, then you can change that word by putting something in front of it. Or if you put something at the back of the word, then it is called a suffix, because you're putting something at the back of the word. So let's learn about prefixes and suffixes. The core of the word is called the root. So the root is the actual word. The actual word itself is called the root. What comes before is called the prefix. So what comes before the root, what comes in front of the root is called a prefix. So you can change a word by putting something in front of it, then it changes completely. Then that is called a prefix, what is in front of the word. What comes after is called a suffix. So if you have a root and then you put another word at the back of the root, then that word is a suffix. The word at the back of the root is a suffix. So we have example number 1. With example number 1, we have the root, which is use. So use is a root, which is a verb. Use. So when we put a word in front of use, then it's misuse. So mis is a prefix. So misuse means definitely a different thing from use. Use on its own means something else, but misuse is totally something different from the word itself. So what we put in front, which is mis, is our prefix. So we say misuse. So now it has changed into another word, which is misuse. So use is a root and mis is our prefix. Then we move on to example number 2. We have use. So use is our root. Again, use is our root. But when we put something at the back of use, then we